Prime Minister Imran Khan will reach Lahore on a day-long visit to Lahore today, Sunday. Prime Minister Imran Khan on his visit he will be briefed on performance of Punjab government. During the visit, the Prime Minister will meet Punjab Chief Minister Sardar Usman Buzdar and Punjab Governor Chaudhry Sarwar. PM Imran will meet provincial cabinet members. Current situations regarding wheat and flour crisis as well as inflation in the province will become under discussion. According to sources, Prime Minister Imran Khan will also preside over a number of important meetings during his stay in the provincial capital. Furthermore, Prime Minister Imran Khan on Monday will distribute checks among beneficiaries of subsidized business loans under his government's Kamyab Jawan program, youth entrepreneurship scheme during his day-long official visit to Karachi. Sindh Governor Imran Ismail, federal ministers and a large number of youths selected under the loan program have been invited to attend a ceremony scheduled to be held at the Governor House. PM Imran will distribute checks among the youths selected from across Sindh. Special advisor to the PM for Youth Affairs Usman Buzdar has asserted that provision of employment to youths at the earliest was among the top priorities of the government. The Premier has allocated highest ever budget in the country's history for youths. Mr. Buzdar said, adding that the government was initiating distribution of loans across Sindh and other parts of the country on an immediate basis. Millions of Sindh's youths have come under the banner of the successful youth program that will increase employment and reduce poverty, Mr. Buzdar added, while pointing out that the government would provide best guidance and training to youths under its patronage.